In front of me is OPPO Find X8, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided when you're ready to add an audio file, hit this plus at the bottom left corner. Select Files and tap on Audio at the top. You can also select one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to access one of those sources. Either way, after locating your file, click on it to attach it. To add a video one, hit Gallery section instead. Tap on your video right away, or if you can't find it, select Photos, look for it here, and then click on it to add it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!